Hello dear students, welcome to online class. I hope you are fine and staying at your homes. You know, classes are closed due to COVID-19. So we have started online classes to continue the flow of study. I strongly believe that you can take advantages from online classes. With you, I am Bidhan Chandra Rao, lecturer, Department of English, Carmichael College, Rangpur. Today I have selected a topic from English first paper and the topic is taken from Unit 2 and the title of Unit 2 is Greatest Scientific Achievements. I am going to discuss Lesson 1 from the unit and the title of Lesson 1 is Some of the Greatest Scientific Achievements of the Last 50 Years. First, I would like to focus on the synopsis of the lesson. Human beings invented some wonderful objects and they adapted with these objects easily and quickly. Some of the greatest scientific achievements of the last 50 years are artificial heart, cell phone, personal computer, communication satellite, landing on the moon, internet, microchip, etc. Here you can learn about the inventions of science, advancement of science, contributions of science. Here you can see some pictures. The first picture is of a television. It is a popular source of information, education and entertainment. It telecasts films, documentaries, science programs, cartoons and so on. Nowadays, almost all the families have a television set. Through the programs, television encourages scientific and cultural curiosity. Next picture is of a mobile phone or cellular phone or cell phone. It is used for various purposes such as keeping in touch with friends and family. Some people use mobile phone for camera, internet, calculator, business, etc. Then you can see the picture of aeroplane. The aeroplane is, without doubt, the most influential invention. It has connected the nations that would never have been connected otherwise. It has removed distance. Within a short period of time, we can reach anywhere of the world. It has shown us a new, unseen, and spectacular perspective of our earth. Then the picture of a car is visible. It is used for transportation. It also lessens the distance. It makes our journey easier and better. We can move from one place to another place quickly. And the last picture is of electricity. It is at the heart of modern life. It works like magic. We can't imagine anything without it. People use it mainly for lighting, heating, cooling, and refrigerator, and for operating appliances, computer, electronics, machinery, and public transport system. Besides this, we are talking about some other inventions. The artificial heart. Robert Jarvik designed it. It exposes the prospect of longer life. In 1982, first artificial heart was transplanted, but the patient survived only 112 days. We are grateful to Robert Jarvik for his contribution, though it is not totally successful still now. Phones were invented in the late 1800s, but phones became available in 1900s. More than 100 million people use mobile phones in Bangladesh. More than 4.6 billion people have mobile phones in the world. Mobile phones are considered one of the greatest inventions of all time. Personal computer or PC. Personal computers became available to consumers in 1974. Microsoft Windows made computer very popular. Computer allows us to access the internet, do word processing, use calculator, watch TV, play games, and do various activities. Communication satellite. Satellite was first introduced on 10th July 1962. It carried the first live transatlantic TV broadcasts. Nowadays, people use satellites for GPS, TV, radio, weather tracking, military surveillance, space exploration, and global communications, among other things.
First Bangladeshi geostationary communication satellite for the country of Bangladesh. The satellite was built by Thales Alenia Espace of France and covers a wide variety of broadcast and telecommunication applications, including satellite television, internet access, and emergency communication services, and of course much more. The satellite will be operated by the Bangladesh Telecommunication Regulatory Commission, or BTRC, and is expected to last approximately 15 years on orbit. Bangabandhu Satellite 1 will stay protected inside that fairing all the way up until about 3.5 minutes into flight. The fairing protects the satellite on ascent, but once we escape Earth's atmosphere, it's no longer needed and we pop it off. We are not attempting to recover this fairing on today's mission, but it's something that we'll look forward to do in future missions. So with just about 5 minutes or 6 minutes left in the countdown, let's check in with Michael on how the rocket is doing.
Recognize 15 seconds.
Recognize the flight pressures.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition, liftoff.
We've successfully achieved that major milestone of every rocket launch. We're actually decreasing the thrust in our engines a little bit around the time of max Q to minimize some of those forces. Coming up about 50 seconds from now,
And back engine chill.
there will be 3 events in quick succession. The main engines will cut off, the 2 stages will separate, and the second stage will start its Merlin vacuum engine, which you heard is just beginning its own chill procedure. Cutoff happening just a few seconds from now.
Pico.
And there you saw those events occurring just as planned. You can even see some of the flicker from Merlin vacuum engine plume as it flicker in the cameras as that plume sort of interacted with the top of the interstage.
Ending. The United States Apollo 11 was the first crewed mission to land on the moon on 20 July 1969. Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first and second people, respectively, to walk on the moon. It opened the door to future space travel and led to a number of spin off inventions. The microchip. A microchip is a set of electronic circuits on one small plate of semiconductor material, normally silicon. The forerunner to the microchip was invented back in 1959, but it started working in 1980s. Microchip is simply and effectively used for calculators, personal computers, paid identification, automatic teller machines, satellites, pacemakers, cell phones, and microwave ovens, among many other products. Dear students, you have to do some work at home. First, read the passage thoroughly from your textbook. Try to write some other inventions of science. That is all for today. Before finishing my class, I deem it my duty to warn you against coronavirus. It is contagious and severe, so be careful. Follow the rules of health and hygiene strictly. Don't neglect. The whole world is fighting. We believe firmly that this pandemic will end and we will win. Until then, stay safe with your family. And I am looking forward to meet you in the classroom soon. And thank you. Thank you very much.